Guerra Austrália se visita Timor-Leste, onde areba prioridade de desenvolvimento e educação, saúde e malnutrição.
Questão ni hatu husi country director care iha Timor-Leste, Peter Godfleu, ba jornalista ba hira remata halau encontro ho presidente da República José Ramos Horta iha Palácio Presidencial Nicolau Lobato ba Irupite Quintane. Peter Dehan quer halau kolaboração ho presidente da República ho diha reconaba potência suporta labarik sira iha are remotas. Niamos dehantan tempo basic care internasional seba visita suku Malabe iha Atsabe município Ermera onde visita escola namos visita grupo Tosna em Sira.
We're very fortunate this week to have the board of Care Australia visiting Timor-Leste, and we had the opportunity to meet with the president this afternoon and to hear about his priorities for development in remote and rural parts of the country where care works, particularly in the areas of education, health, nutrition, and women's economic empowerment. The President was able to share with us his experience of visiting schools where the school feeding program operates and how important it is that young children get a regular, high-protein, nutritious meal to support their education and address malnutrition. The President was able to share with us his ambition for ensuring that early childhood education and nutrition is prioritised, and we agreed to develop an action plan to seek further resources to address these issues in future.
Care Timor-Leste durante ne serviço hamutuk ho comunidade tinan tolunulu ho di foca ba malnutrição. Presidente Mos reconhece katak malnutrição haste besiha Timor. Também hakara colabora ho Care Internacional ha Timor-Leste ho di resolve malnutrição. Emerenciana Pinto, STL News.